Monkeys.
Dan
I'm telling you,
keliling
look,
Malang yang mereka ini
monkeys. They're on the ground. No.
pasangan tua ke Tangkuban Perahu,
The streets down there full of people.
Jogja.
The Indonesian royal city still ruled by a monarchy.
Ngapain?
It looks nice. Welcome to Bali.
Umurnya baru 21 guys.
Indonesia's only province with a Hindu majority, the
Bali.
island of the gods.
The whole school's come out to see us. Sort of, I don't know, a bit of motivation perhaps to people cheering us on.
I would love to go.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi bersama saya Tira Pondia Reaction. Yes, background kita berbeda karena saya berada di belakang rumahnya Sikal. Lumayan tenang di sini, karena nggak ada rumah di belakang, beda dengan rumah saya. Saya akan tinggal di avenue, di depan rumah, sebelah rumah, samping rumah, di atas saja yang ada rumah, yang nggak ada rumah orang kan. Nah, jadi kali ini Sikal mau mengundang saya ke rumahnya karena dia ada acara sama teman-temannya juga. Cuman teman-temannya udah nonton semua. Orang di sini banyak yang nonton ini karena populer seperti saya bilang dari awal, karena ini lumayan viral juga karena penontonnya meningkat drastis untuk episode ke Asia ini, terutama tujuannya itu ke Indonesia, ada Balinya, ada Thailandnya, karena saya cuma mengkat yang ada, saya cuma memasukkan reaksi yang ada hubungannya dengan Indonesia. Alright, biar bisa berbagi sama kalian. Kenapa? Karena seperti saya bilang bahwa ini tidak begitu disetting. Mayoritas 90% adalah real perjalanan. Bagi kalian yang traveler pasti tahu kalau ini adalah real, akan terjadi sama siapa saja dan di mana saja. Setelah saya baca komen-komen, banyak yang bilang ini settingan karena ini reality show. Reality show di sini beda dengan reality show di tempat lain. Itu makanya saya suka. Bukan di Indonesia aja, di negara lain banyak reality show-nya shit, oke? Tapi kalau di Amerika juga banyak yang shit, tapi kalau di Inggris lumayan berbeda, makanya saya suka. Lebih mendekati realistik, malah sangat realistik sekali. Oke, saya mau mengkonfirm kenapa mereka itu harus nggak langsung aja ke Lombok, karena ini kesempatan sekali seumur hidup juga. Ini bukan hanya tujuan untuk jadi pemenang aja. Orang yang ikut ini adalah tujuan untuk menikmati lokalnya juga, challenge-nya juga, Dibilang biar agar drama, biar agak susah sedikit, biar begini. Kesusahannya itu udah jelas, mereka nggak boleh pakai HP, nggak bisa menggunakan teknologi, kemudian mereka nggak boleh naik pesawat. Coba deh kalian pergi ke mana gitu, ke Afrika atau ke Amerika Selatan atau ke Eropa sendiri. Kalau kalian nggak boleh pakai HP, nggak boleh browsing segala macam, itu udah challenge yang sangat besar buat kita yang traveler, ya kan. Saya belum tentu bisa, itu udah besar banget challenge-nya. Nggak mungkin produser nambah lagi dengan dramatis. Seperti episode sebelumnya dibilang kalau, oh ini udah disetting. Masa sih orang kita mau disetting biar usahanya kayak yang di Cirebon ya, biar usaha homestay-nya itu nggak laku, nggak mungkin. Makanya itu orang-orang di sini suka program ini karena realistik, karena terjadi dimanapun, tergantung bagaimana kita berpikir. Kalau kita langsung judge orang yang punya homestay itu, oh lu begini, nggak begini, nggak, karena itu terjadi dimanapun, di negara manapun. Indonesia nggak akan buruk karena itu, itu hanya pengalamannya orang itu di situasi yang saat itu. So, jadi menurut saya memang nggak ada setting. Gimana dengan yang di Sumatera Barat atau di tempat lain yang mereka di service, full service, mungkin itu bisa dibilang di setting karena menguntungkan kedua belah pihak, menguntungkan orang lokal, menguntungkan Indonesia, menguntungkan program juga sepertinya bagus. Nah, kalau di setting menjelekin Indonesia kayak angkotnya, pecah bannya, yang jelek kan angkotnya dia, usahanya dia, yang jelek kan negaranya dia, negara kita, Terus yang di Cirebon yang bakal jelek, Indonesia, Cirebon, Jawa Barat, Indonesia, banyak sekali yang bakal jelek, orang Sunda lah, banyak lah hubungan-hubungannya, nggak mungkin lah itu di setting biar membantu acara ini. So I don't think so. Saya rasa ini adalah makanya banyak penontonnya meningkat di season 4 ini, ya karena itu tadi sesuatu yang menarik, melihat challenge-nya di Asia Tenggara, di Asia Timur itu seperti apa. Makanya banyak penontonnya sekarang, dan kayaknya mereka bakal mendapat award, itu Television Award di sini. Mereka dinominasi tahun ini karena itu tadi tujuannya termasuk Indonesia di dalamnya. Ya banyak yang nggak mau mendengar penjelasan saya, habis itu bingung pas mau ngomen. Right, ya kenapa mereka nggak harus langsung dari Bengkahuni atau di Jakarta langsung aja ke ujung Pulau Jawa, langsung ke Lombok? Ya karena mereka baru pertama kali. Coba deh kalian pergi ke Amerika, terus langsung pergi ke Hawaii. Belum tentu kalian tahu, pasti kalian, oh ya udah kita ke sana dulu. Realistik kan? Misalnya kita darat di New York, oh California atau apa, mungkin kita ke sana dulu. Ya penting jadi juara, tapi kan nggak juga mau membuang kesempatan untuk melihat sesuatu yang mereka belum pernah lihat dalam hidup mereka. That's what I mean. Terus dengan budget, mereka cuma ada spot-spot tempat bekerja, karena orang luar nggak boleh bekerja di Indonesia menghasilkan uang kalau mereka nggak ada visa kerja kan. Jadi mereka itu dibayar, itu memang benar dibayar oleh BBC di sini, tapi BBC arrange, membuat persepakatan di beberapa titik di negara-negara yang mereka kunjungi. Jadi kalau mereka seperti Alfie dan Owen, mereka cuman ada tempat kerjanya di Malang, jadi mereka harus ke Malang dulu untuk mendapatkan tambahan budget, bukan dari orang yang di Malang yang ngasih mereka, tapi produser di Inggris yang nambahin budget mereka berdasarkan gaji di sini juga, atau lebih kurang atau gimana lah gitu. Nah, yang di setting kalau menurut kami di sini ya, saya, Sikal, Sylvia, yang lain-lain nonton, paling pas mereka bertemu, seperti mereka bertemu di mana ya? Di Malang, terus ada beberapa tempat lagi mereka itu bertemu, karena mereka itu satu kota, jadi kameramen ini mungkin saling kontak, oh yaudah bikin sedikit drama, lelucon, temukan gitu, gimana reaksi satu sama lain. Itu aja sih kalau menurut saya yang disetting, tapi masalah lokal mereka, saya yakin mereka nggak ada yang disetting, karena expectation semuanya, nggak diduga-duga semuanya. Nanti pas episode terakhir setelah final, nanti akan ada feedback dari mereka yang udah balik ke Inggris, bagaimana mereka memperlihatkan kru-krunya. Gila, karena saya udah menonton kan sampai pokoknya repot lah krunya. Di sana nggak ada produser, cuma ada kameramen. Anyway, show must go on, walaupun nggak ada teman untuk mereaksi, kita nonton bareng aja yuk. Yang episode ke-8. Here we go.
It's not been easy.
No.
Being in each other's company for 24/7, but I'm pleased that we've had the chance to spend time together. I've seen you grow, and I'm amazed at how you can process information.
It's been nice to have some of those memories.
Quality
time. Yes, just the two of us. I don't necessarily feel like I've missed out on as much now, because I think for me a lot of it was the time we could have spent connecting emotionally when I was younger, but now we've kind of had that. It's been good.
It's been really good.
Yeah.
Ini salah satu tujuannya dari peserta ini. Kalau cuman uang 20.000 pound sterling,
Oh my days. This requires muscles. I'm never going to look at salt the same.
19 kilometres outside of Cirebon, on Java's north coast, a huge expanse of man-made shallow basins filled with seawater.
Hey, get off my salt. The hell?
As the sun climbs, the water evaporates, leaving behind salt crystals, a traditional process unchanged for centuries.
Pertama kali saya lihat garam itu, tapi alami, nggak produksi. Itu di Laut Mati, di Palestina.
And those sort of bumps along the way, they've helped us develop that can-do attitude and just throw everything at it.
Dikelola oleh Israel.
Sweating buckets. But we have to earn this money. Without it, we'd be screwed. We've managed to sort of secure ourselves 2 more hours to earn some more, and it is needed
Bang
to finish
James.
line. A bit more confidence behind us now. We can race ahead. I've never sweated out my hands before, but they're now rivers and they're now just like sponges. I can squeeze the moisture out of them. It's so hot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Terry McCassie.
Thank you so much for your help. Thank you.
Ya itu.
Crazy thing
Dia
that
kasih
whatever we are
produser,
carrying
kan?
with us is all we have left to finish this race. That we can use all of it up trying to win. Betty.
The whole school's come out to see us. Sort of, I don't know, a bit of motivation perhaps to people cheering us on.
Nggak mungkin lah kayak ini di setting-setting. No. Karena kompleks.
At the far east of Java, the port of Ketapang, crossing point to the island of Bali.
Wish.
I really want to see Eugene and Isabel on here because I think they've taken a lead overnight. So seeing them on here would give me a lot of reassurance.
Excuse me. When does this leave?
Bali?
Yeah.
1 hour.
1 hour.
No, nothing sooner.
Okay.
Nggak ngerti.
Minutes count today, and like a whole hour delayed is a lot of time lost. You know, a whole hour is an hour not travelling through Bali or an hour not getting to Lombok.
Today, standing still is not acceptable. This is not okay.
To the west,
We just need the fastest way to get to Bali.
Kalau lebay sih ya saya akui kadang. Saya pun juga kadang lebay.
So 11 hours. Still got a long way to go.
Unless we get a taxi.
Dramatisi sih ya, dramatisi maksudnya bukan dari produser, tapi dari orangnya. Saya kadang-kadang mendramatisi juga. Itu yang realistik,
Taxi service.
manusiawi kita ya kan.
Jogja Ketapang minimum price.
Jogja.
Ketapang minimum price 2.5 million. It's an awful lot of money.
Yeah. Gets us
But it
there a lot
gets us there.
quicker.
I don't know. I just don't know.
I just don't know. I mean, we got the budget, so we could do it.
Oh god.
Soalnya bolak-balik ya kan, jadi saya nggak bisa
Yeah.
ngejat juga.
The other option is the just past midnight train from here, which gets us in tomorrow morning.
with £360 or 7 million rupiah in the bank, husband and wife have a big decision to make.
A taxi seems quite a lot, but it gets us right there. So,
Still means you've got to cross Bali. You've still got 2 ferries.
yeah.
I'm just not convinced that the taxi at this stage is the sensible value gain.
Ya karena taksi kan nggak mungkin harga ngantar aja, mereka pulang kan juga ya kan.
thought that we would actually not be able to finish due to money. I think the tickets for the train are probably going to be $500,000.
Yeah. I think then that's the decision made.
Yeah.
We'll get the train, we
Yeah.
know when it goes, then we can park it,
Yeah.
rest for today.
And we arrive tomorrow at 6:34, armed with 2 million saved on this one that we can then get a taxi from there. We'll get the train.
Ya,
I'm trotting.
600 miles to the east.
We're moving, we're moving.
Yep. It looks as if the ferry's leaving half an hour before we were expecting it to.
Eugenie and Isabel are on their way to Bali.
I'm
wis.
feeling really good this morning. We're going to get the taxis that we need to. We're going to get to where we need to as quickly as we need to.
Ya monggo.
Really good. Bye!
On the other side of the Bali Strait,
Giliman
It's
loh.
quite tight. Oh, this is ridiculous.
Ngapain?
It looks nice. Welcome to Bali.
Umurnya baru 21 guys.
Indonesia's only province with a Hindu majority, the
Bali.
island of the gods, attracts visitors drawn to its sun
I wanna
and
go
surf,
back.
and those searching for their inner hippie. But Alfie and Owen don't intend to hang around long enough to smell the incense.
I think foot passengers are meant to wait for vehicles. That's usually how ferry works, but I've got absolutely no interest in the rules today, so we'll be walking off before anyone else drives off. Let's go.
Ingat, mereka baru pertama kali.
Come on, no time to lose. Transport.
Kalau kalian ke tempat lain, kalau pertama kali pasti juga banyak ngomel-ngomel juga. Mungkin kita nggak vokal.
Where they can cross to Lombok and the finish line.
Padang Bay. How much?
Padang Bay.
How long will it take? How many hours?
5 hours. Right, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah,
It needs to be fast.
800 sheep. We had about 3 million ready to hand over, so 800,000 is I'm not even going to bother haggling.
800.000.
We need to go fast. We're in a race. Let's go.
Train station.
Surabaya.
Ketapang. Train station.
Train. Choo choo.
This way. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, udah nyampe si James, Surabaya.
Budget now in healthier shape. Betty and James are ready to make their move to Ketapang.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Is the train station this way?
6 hours away by train, if they can make the right connection.
Jauh ya dari Ketapang ke ini, Surabaya.
At 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Online.
Only online.
Yes.
We don't have a phone.
You can go into big station.
Big station.
Let's go.
Biasanya dibantu bookingin di itunya. Waktu saya di Jakarta.
Come on. I'm slightly worried that it might sell out. Oh, fire. Shit. That's not going well. Okay, come on.
And we want to buy tickets to Ketapang, 2 o'clock.
No. This train is already sold out.
Fully booked.
Is there any later?
Yes, 10:45.
Tonight.
Tonight, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we flagged down taxis. We can't control the traffic, but we like to think he got there as quick as possible and to, find out that 2 o'clock was sold out. Yeah, it's frustrating because it would have been 6 hours. Would have got there in decent time. Hopefully, maybe even been in Bali tonight. The next one was 10:45.
Yeah.
Sial mulu mereka ya. Saya nggak pernah lihat mereka
I think because
having
the
fun.
end is so close, it's just like everything feels like frustrating.
Sian
if
gue.
it doesn't slot into place, which it hasn't.
Kayak Alfie sama Owen
Obviously it would be.
surfing di Bengkulu.
I just think like we'll go home with so much, regardless of what place we go on.
Yeah. You mentioned like you never thought about talking about like your children thing and everything like that about with anyone,
Yeah,
but to be able to do it within 7 weeks.
yeah. I do just think that as we grow older, like into adults, that there might be conversations that come up that are more,
Yeah. Sensitive.
yeah.
Or adultery. Adultery, can't say that.
Can't say that.
Adultive?
Yeah, I just think if there ever came a time where we did need that advice, but we didn't really know who to go to, like, we do have each other.
I'm thankful for that.
Suddenly things don't seem as scary anymore. What a crazy adventure.
Ya mereka jarang yang exploring kayak ibu dan anak kan. Dan keliling Malang yang mereka ini. Pasangan tua ke Tangkuban Perahu.
Taking in the scenery as they go.
The vibe feels quite different here.
Looks quite oriental.
Eugenie and Isabel are crossing Bali for the port of Padang Bay.
Lots of coconut trees.
You said not all palm trees have coconuts on them, though.
No, they don't. But these do.
Padang
So
Bay.
we just go to Bang Sao. We just want the ferry.
The ferry only.
Yeah.
Or a fast boat.
No passport.
No fast boats?
Passport tomorrow.
Fast boats tomorrow?
Right now,
Speak
slow
English.
ferry.
Slow ferry. So how long does it take?
4 hours, and they take 1 hour to Bangsa.
The only way to sail for Lombok after dark is a 5-hour ferry to the port of Lembar, 50 kilometers south of Bangsal.
And then when we land in Lombok, straight away, Bang Sao.
Our price is 1.5 million.
That's fine. Just want to get there quickly.
I know some like you.
4.5.
Something video.
Someone else has been here.
4 o'clock.
Umbat Jam.
4 jam.
Umbat Jam.
Yeah.
4 hours ago.
Oh.
But he said he saw 2 boys 4 hours earlier. He did. Okay. So they'd be ahead of us. The race has not ended yet. It's human nature to feel a little bit deflated, but we're not going to give up.
As mother and daughter depart for Lombok, arriving there,
We get off there, we've got a 2-hour drive. and then
Di
we're in
skip
Bangsa.
Bali sama mereka.
We've hit every spot today. What an experience.
Oh, yeah.
Alfie and Owen have the end in sight.
Yes.
Bang Sao. Bang Sao? Yes, please. 1 hour. 1 hour, okay. The whole journey, like 1,200 hours of my life has gone into this. I'm excited now.
Back on Java,
Busy place, isn't it?
And the streets down there full of people.
Jogja.
the Indonesian royal city still ruled by a monarchy. After dark,
Oh, look, this looks good, doesn't it?
Yogyakarta springs to life.
We're going partying.
Yes.
The perfect place for Stephen and Viv to pass time before their onward train at midnight.
Malioboro.
Gordon Bennett.
Oh, God, that is just horrible, isn't it? Ugh.
I've got a towel in my bag, we can dry
I
off.
know, my coat is in my bag as well. Ugh.
Inggris banget dah.
I didn't think we knew the race would be this hard.
Here we go.
God no.
It is exhausting.
Star.
It is
Star.
draining. It's absolutely emotional. But I think as a pair, we've actually come out of it really well. I think it's made me see qualities in you that I fell in love with.
God, tell me.
Well, no, you used to be. See, this is where you won't like it. You see.
Move on then. Move on.
Yeah.
Move on.
Because you used to be
Move on.
a happy-go-lucky, kind of roughy-tufty, and now you're all sort of precious about everything.
I suppose. God, dear me. Right, okay. So the question that I would ask myself is, do I deserve you, I suppose? And I think sometimes I feel as if I need to keep doing things and keep seeking your reassurance because I worry that I'm not enough for you.
But you are enough for me.
Oh.
You're more than enough. You're quite a challenge for me, actually.
I'm not sure this is getting any better.
Si ibu memang sabar banget. Oke, kalian yang nonton dari awal gimana? Si bapak nge-treat si ibu kadang nggak fair.
In some ways, why I'm the way I am. I do need Viv around me. I need her security, I need her safety net. I need her love, I need her affection. I need to be near her.
I know. Without her, you're struggling, mate.
I think we've come to the point where I don't think we can win this race. But I'm pleased with what we've done and what we've learned and who we are. Something I wouldn't have imagined that the race was about.
Si ibu ngerti banget si bapaknya. Tanpa si ibunya, si bapaknya pasti struggling. Cara kelanjutan hidupnya gitu, continue his life. Karena si ibunya benar-benar ya super ngerti, mungkin karena ya udah lama, udah tahu. Yang jelas saya rasa si ibunya tahu kalau si Steven ini cinta sama dia, cuman perilakunya kadang agak sedikit egois, agak sedikit selfish, ya egois atau selfish. Dan yang jelas dia tahu penting cintanya besar buat si ibunya gitu. So, itu akhir dari episode 8. Yang terakhir, episode berikutnya terakhir, mudah-mudahan Sikal free, saya bisa ajak dia untuk reaksi juga. Karena final, kita lihat 2 grup yang paling duluan itu men-skip Bali ya. Banyak kan dari mereka cuman melihat dari perjalanan aja dari atas mobil. Saya rasa mungkin karena dekat dari Lombok, dan saya yakin setelah acara ini finish mereka tahu mereka bakal explore Bali dan Lombok juga karena berdekatan ya kan, dan nggak ada lagi race-nya. Jadi mereka mungkin oke, kerjaan selesai, tujuan selesai. Dan ingat, mereka ini bukan selebritis, mereka kayak kita aja. Saya sempat mendaftar sama si Daniel dulu, tapi nggak dipilih, nggak tahu kenapa. Karena cuma 6 grup yang daftar banyak di sini. Mereka nyari yang diverse gitu, ya diverse. Se-diverse apa sih saya sama si Daniel kan, yang satu Asia, yang satu bule. Tapi ya mungkin ada yang lain kategorinya masuk sama mereka. Dan mungkin banyak juga yang mendaftar seperti saya sama si Daniel. Ya, jadi nggak ada yang di training mereka tuh harus begini begitu. Produsernya itu di sini, mereka itu cuman diiring sama kameramen, lightning juga. Itu yang bikin acara ini. Kalian bisa lihat juga dari ekspresi mereka, apakah itu di setting atau enggak. Yang saya tahu seperti saya bilang tadi, yang di setting itu mungkin di saat-saat pertemuan aja, biar ada dramanya sedikit, lucu-lucunya, ekspresi atau reaksi-reaksinya, karena mereka satu kota. Kemudian setelah itu ya mereka berpencar. Saya rasa ini salah satu promosi gratis untuk Indonesia. Ya kecuali yang menonton pemikirannya close-minded, bukan pemikiran terbuka. Dan syukurnya di sini mayoritas orang di sini pemikirannya terbuka gitu. Mereka udah ya holiday makers itu sangat banyak banget orang Inggris ini, karena cuaca mereka nggak suka di sini, mereka kerja terus setiap holiday itu mereka biasanya ke luar negeri, mereka nggak begitu fanatik dengan negara mereka, you know what I mean. Jadi mereka itu kalau kalian puji-puji Inggris, bagi mereka ya gitu aja. Mereka nggak bakal terbang ke langit ketujuh kalau kalian puji-puji. Kalau kalian caci pun Inggris, mereka ya udah, nggak bakal mereka tuntut ke meja hijau. Itulah tipikal orang Inggris di sini. Mungkin karena apa ya? Ya mereka being realistik juga sih, dan mereka tahu apa yang terjadi di masa lampau juga, banyaklah faktor-faktornya. Jadi mereka nggak begitu bangga banget. Tapi mereka bersatu, dan namanya manusiawi. Bagaimanapun Inggris adalah rumah mereka, their home country. Tapi kalau hanya sekedar serangan dengan kata-kata, mereka nggak peduli. Tapi kalau ada negara lain datang ke sini mau menjajah, ya mereka bersatu gitu. Karena tahu sendiri kan, kepala penjajah itu kan negara Inggris ini, ya mereka yang menjajah. Kan maksudnya ahli penjajah itu kan Inggris. Menurut saya acara ini sangat positif banget, positif untuk kemanusiaan, dari segi sosial, dari segi pariwisata, dari segi personal, dari segi ilmu kita, dari segi matematik, banyak banget aspeknya. Makanya I love this program karena mencakup semuanya, respect, everything, politik mungkin juga. So anyway, kita akan rangkum nanti setelah semuanya kita reaksi, bagaimana menurut kalian juga, dan bagaimana apa yang bisa kita dapat dari semua episode yang sudah kita tonton. So, Satria Ponde Reaction dari Liverpool, Inggris. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.